If you're watching this in 2016 and still prompting ChatGPT or any LLM manually for every task, you don't have a strategy, you have a hobby. The era of chatbots are dead. Now enter the era of agents. So in last 12 months, the founders who have just had AI tools or just use tools, they are building actual self-driving companies. They replace human in the loop with AI on the loop. That shift is there now. So I'm cutting the noise that is there, and this is the exact playbook on how to structure a tech company in 2016, and it will show you exactly how I applied this to my own products. One is Remo, one is ShiveAI, and sub part is AI career engine. So here is the reality check. In 2014, we treated AI like smart interns, and you gave it a work, right? And you check the work and you fixed it. In 2016, AI is the infrastructure, so it's a huge shift. So you need to stop thinking in terms of prompts and start thinking in terms of workflows. This is really important. Don't hire a junior to scrap leads. You spin up a autonomous agent that is there. You don't hire a scheduler. You deploy a calendar bot that negotiate the time slot and do it for you. So goal as a founder today is to map every process in a business and say, why is human touching it? I can replace it with AI. And I know it sounds wrong, but it's actually productive. A lot of things can be replaced with AI, and humans are getting new jobs in that way. So if it's data processing AI, if it is pattern matching AI, and if it's a high level strategy and creative vision, that's you, because that's your part. So let's look at how and where I actually use AI particularly. So let's first talk about Remo. The MVP is going to launch till 2nd Jan. So when we were scaling Remo, like all the things that are where we were making the plans, the old way have been to hire a massive content team to manage the output, but that does not scale, to be honest, because we already have that for Shiv AI, and we are already applying it for the YouTube channel. You can already see it in description. So you don't just use AI to write a script. We built a system where AI automatically keeps your context, it keeps your information and cross reference based on your data that is there, draft the framework and push it to the LLM via prompt or API that is there. So your references will be there. You can draft the frameworks, you can put all the context or the information that is there. So it's called context as a service. So we are launching it first. So Remo is just not a tool, it just all your database of you in a way put in there, and it polishes the personalized touch, it keeps that. So it's just not a tool, it's a teammate. So it does 80% of the heavy lifting before a human even touches it, because it can directly communicate to LLM. And then comes Shiv AI, my personal baby. So with Shiv AI, we dealt with massive amount of data, mentorship and education thing. The bottleneck always was to always analyze, getting insights from the raw number that is there, teaching people about things. So we stopped trying to build a dashboard to for humans to read. We built a AI layer that reads data for the user, like how we were teaching to founders, we were teaching to students and people. So we built a AI layer that will help us understand the students better. So it monitors the matrices 24/7, the KPIs that are there, and only tell us like which things are actually needed in 2015, 2016, 2024, every place. So the shift from a passive tool to an active partner, me being there, and our tools such as AI career engine being there, taps that shoulder where the money is on the table. So these led to a final piece of puzzle for 2016 is fluid interfaces. So static websites are there, and it's really dead now. And if your product looks the exact same to a CEO that to a CEO that it does to an intern, you are already failing, to be honest. Your application need to use the generative UI. It needs to code its own interface in real time based on who is looking at it. It's an intense process, but it is happening right now. So if I log in as a founder, show me revenue. If you my developer logs in, show them API latency and all the logs that is there. So same product, different experience, and it generated instantly. So listen, the barrier to entry has never been lower. Actually, this means the competition has never been higher too. So you can't just win by working harder anymore. You have to build by building better leverage by doing things. So if you're building something in AI space, comment build below, and I want to see who's actually working on it, and do comment down what you're working on next.